Hey Glam Dolls, so I'm here today to share with you all the fabulous 16-piece LA Colors Red Rouge Blush collection. With these blushes, they are insanely pigmented. You're going to get some mattes, you're going to get some shimmers, and they will complement just about any skin tone. I kind of feel like they can also be used as eyeshadows, but we're going to see. So let's get into this review so I can show you what they're looking like. Okay, doll, so this is what one of them is looking like up close. This color in particular is called Radical. On the back of the packaging, you have the ingredients, and the packaging is made very, very durable. Once you get it open, you have the blush on one side, and voila, you have your compact mirror, and you have a miniature blush brush. Now, I know me, I really wouldn't be using that blush brush, but let's see what it's looking like once you swatch it. So, once you put it on your finger and you put it on your skin, that's what it's looking like. But that's more so if you was doing it as an eyeshadow. So if you're going to do it as a blush, you put some on, you blend that out, and voila, this is what it's looking like. And mind you, that's without an actual blush brush. That's just with my fingertips. Enough of that. Let's get into the whole review. So this first color up that you're seeing is called PSYC, which I kind of feel this will make a fantastic bronzer. Next color is called VALLY Girl. This next color is called To The Max. We got STOOKED. And then we're going to have the next one called CHERISH. Loving CHERISH. I'm really, really loving CHERISH. I'm liking that one. Next one up is called Chill. Chill is kind of cute. It's kind of peachy. That's Chill. Next one up is going to be called Icon. And as I'm doing these swatches, I'm really enjoying the formulation of these blushes. They blend very smoothly onto the skin. This color is called Poppin'. Who makes up these names? I'm loving it though. The next color is called For Sure. And with this color, it's kind of on the shimmer part. So I'm feeling like this could be a good bronzer. I'm liking that one. That one's called For Sure. This next one is called Preppy. I'm kidding you not. I love the names of these blushes. This one's called Preppy. So Preppy and For Sure is already my two faves right there. Next one up is called Radical, which is the first one that I showed you in the very beginning of this video. This is called Radical. The next one coming up is called Awesome. I really do love the names of these blushes. This one is called Awesome. That's what that one's looking like. Moving forward. This one is called Bodacious, and check this out. Yeah, that's really bold. That one is called Bodacious. Now this one is going to be a funny name. Wait for it. It's called Flip Side. This is Flip Side. I'm loving it. I'm loving it though. I kid you not. I think I'm going to use these as eyeshadows as well. That's called Flip Side. Now this one, oh my gosh, this one is called As If. As if you need any other blush in the world. Look at that color right there. Beautiful. And the last one is called Like Totally. Yeah, like totally. Like you totally just need to get this entire blush collection. But on that note, dolls, these are all 16 colors that comes in with the collection. I'm absolutely loving them. That's what they're looking like. And voila. There you have it. Look, these blushes are insanely pigmented. They're definitely worth you looking into. I'm glad I was able to share them with you all today. And thanks for taking the time to watch this video as I see y'all in the next one.